Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini. First, you have to plug it into the outlet like this, and as you already see, this one is already connected because the light is steady. But to reset it, to be able to connect it to the app, basically first you have to reset it. To reset it, you have to hold that button for a few seconds, and now you can see that the plug is in reset mode. The next step is to log in inside your Casa app. If you don't have the app, my recommendation is to download it from the store. It could be a Google store or Apple store, and then I'll show you how to do it there. Now inside the app you have to do a few basic steps. The first of all is you have to connect the plug or the device that you have to the app, following a few basic steps. The first one is you need to select the right device. In my situation is Smart Plug Mini. Then the app is going to follow, is going to guide you through multiple steps, which are very easy. The first one is you have to make sure that the plug is connected to the house outlet. Then you need to make sure the actual plug is in blinking mode. More specifically, it should be blinking into different colors. Usually it can be green and blue, or yellow, blue, or orange and blue. It doesn't matter in the end. It just needs to make sure that it's blinking. And then the second step is to do the actual Wi-Fi connection. And the tricky part here is that first you have to go in your phone and to select the Wi-Fi, and then you have to connect your phone Wi-Fi to the Wi-Fi that the device already created. In my case, I have to select TP-Link Smart Plug, and after being connected to the plug Wi-Fi, I need to verify inside the app that the connection exists, and then you have to select your Wi-Fi local network connection. After confirming that with the app, basically your plug is automatically rerouted to be able to connect to your local route Wi-Fi network. And with that, then we can test it really quickly to make sure that the device work. Specifically, make sure that the device button is steady and it's not blinking. Now yes, and I'm just watching the video. I forgot that it would be nice to name your device uh, based on your needs. Specifically, my device is in the office area, So I'm going to name it office room and then select an icon associated with it. Now let's test it really quickly. Currently the plug is on. I'm going to click the button to turn it off. Now and now you can see the plug is on, and yeah, it looks like everything works as expected. Thanks for watching, folks, and have a good day. Bye.